In today's video, I'm going to describe members of my family using adjectives to describe physical appearance. My mum is short and slim. She has green eyes and short blonde hair. My mum has fair skin. When she was younger, she had long blonde hair. My dad is quite tall. My dad isn't overweight, but he isn't skinny either. He is slim. My dad has grey hair now, but when he was younger, it was black. My dad has darker skin than my mum. He has never had a moustache or a beard. He doesn't like having a beard. My brother is of medium height. He is very thin. He is an average-looking man, which means he isn't extremely good-looking or ugly. My brother has a girlfriend. She is the same age as my brother. She's very pretty. She has light brown hair. She is tall and thin. My granddad is 76 years old now, but when he was younger, he was a very handsome man. When he was younger, he had brown hair, but when he was middle-aged, his hair changed from brown to grey. Now his hair is white. He is also shorter now. He was tall before, but now he is short. He is old, but he has a lot of energy. I want to be like my grandfather when I am older. In the comment section, I would like you to answer these two questions. Question number 1, how old is my grandfather? Question number 2, what does my brother look like? Please like this video if you have enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.